Welcome to SweepSheet. In this video, we're going to highlight how to find sweepstakes that are expiring today or within a particular time frame. To begin, we're going to sign in, and for this, we're going to use a demonstration account. Now, when we log in, we're going to begin right here with sweepstakes listings. The sweepstakes listings is going to show us everything that exists in the SweepSheet database. We're going to start first here within Search for Sweepstakes. You'll notice there's a field for end date. We're going to select today. Within this, you will see that there are 39 entries or 39 sweepstakes that are expiring today. And these are all different types of sweepstakes: instant win, website, restricted, social network, hot flash, even some that have been highlighted in recent newsletters. Now, there's other ways to find this information too. If we go back to sweepstakes listings, you'll notice on this page there's a lot more than just search for sweepstakes. There's the hot flash, fresh sweeps, mail-in, website, instant wins, restricted, social network, text, game pieces, skill contests, all kinds of different things. Let's go into website sweeps. We can come in here and we can say, show me those that you can only enter one time and sort by end date. And what you'll see is that today there are a significant number of sweepstakes that are ending that you can only enter one time. Well, why do we highlight this? Because if you haven't entered and they close today, now is the time to act. Be very quick in getting your submissions in. Now, this process is what we use to put together the SweepSheet Now daily updates. So you get a little sense of what we're looking for and how we highlight some of the different opportunities that are available each day, and really those that require action, because if you don't get them today, they're going to be gone. Now, all of this exists within the resources, within the various aspects of the sweepstakes listings. So if you have any questions, please click around, see what you can learn, see what you can find, and if something doesn't make sense, let us know. We'll put another video together, or we'll be sure and answer the question within Conversation Corner.